Hey everybody, we're on scene here at a car fire. We're at the Riverside parking lot on the Bullhead side of the 95. There's been no reports of any injuries. As you can see, Bullhead City Fire Department was very fast to get here and get this fire extinguished. Now, as you can see, this car still smoking underneath the hood here. One of the Bullhead City Fire Departments has what I call a high-powered skill saw. And if they can't get that hood open, they'll find a way in there. And usually during car fires like this, when the hood and engine is on fire, they can't unlatch the latch because it's already melted. So that's one of the reasons they're having to cut this hood in half to get access to the engine so they can put the rest of this fire out. And as you can see, it's been a little stubborn on them, so they're going to have to cut through a little bit more. All right, they seem to have got it there. So little skill saw action took the hood right in half. They got access now to the engine. They'll get some water in there. So once again, car fire, Riverside parking lot on the Bullhead side. No injuries. That's all the information we have at this point. I'm Jeff Arganda reporting for Mojave Valley Daily News, local in Bullhead City.